Very good afternoon, students. After history and the geography, today I am going to taking the one of the important topic of economics, chapter 1, development. In this chapter, we should understand the meaning of the development. Children, very simple. Develop in general way we can say development means growth. Okay. For example, a student is getting 10 marks out of 20 in first examination. In second examination, he is getting 15. And the third examination is getting 20 out of 20. What is this? We can say, sir, this is growth of marks. Yes, very good. But in another way, we can say he is developing. It means something new things are coming in his life or in his marks, or we can say he is going to achieve something. Yes, you all are right. It means the development means the change in the lifestyle, change in the economic level, change in the social level, or some reputation is coming in his behavior, in his character, or in his life. That's why I am going to putting here as the meaning of development. Development means the person is achieving something, or the society is achieving something, the country is achieving something. It means we can say the positive condition in our life, in society life, or in country life, that is called development. But remember, students, in a society, we all are living in a different conditions, and the conditions for you in terms of the development is not similar like me, and my condition is not similar like you, because the two important factors, remember, a person is developed or a person is not developed. The development conditions of myself can't be similar for you and your conditions, because the things is that your requirement is different, my requirement is different, your need is different, my need is different. I am putting in an example. You all are a student, your requirement is different. What do you require? Good marks. अच्छे marks आएंगे तो parents अच्छा बोलेंगे. But my requirement is not concerned to marks. मेरा requirement है मैं अच्छा पढ़ाऊंगा और अच्छा पढ़ाऊं, मेरी तरक्की हो. That is my requirement. So, and we are putting another example, labor or industrialist, malik or nokar, both have not same conditions. The conditions of a owner of a house is a different. He will not define कि मेरे पास एक घर हो गया या एक कार हो गई, मेरे पास में डेवलप हो गया. No, his requirement is more. But एक गरीब आदमी, उसके पास एक घर हो गया, he is happy. मेरे पास मेरा घर हो गया, I am developed. So students, what I want to say here, the development conditions of person to person is different. That we mention in your NCERT book. What develop promises? Different people, different goal. Each and every person have different goal, and according to them, the conditions are different. They define the meaning of development in a different conditions. Labor have different conditions, student have different conditions, industries have different conditions, bureaucrats have different conditions. So you all should be understood here the development conditions or the meaning of development can be defined in a different manner. Now, income and other goal. Student, you know very well how we will assess that a person is a rich or poor, or person can be achieved something good or not able to achieve something, because the income, how you will assess. कई बार आप देखते हैं ना ये लड़का पैसे वाला है, ये अंकल पैसे वाले हैं, तो कैसे आप हिसाब लगाते हैं? ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द इनकम, कि उस पर्सन की इनकम यार ज़्यादा होगी यार, ही इज अर्निंग मोर. यस, यू आर ट्रू. द इनकम इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया, एंड द सोसाइटी जिसमें हम रहते हैं, दैट सोसाइटी कैलकुलेट द लेवल ऑफ द पर्सन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द इनकम. So you all should be understood here. The income is one of the important criteria to define development or develop or not develop. So many other criteria also, because I told you now the criteria and is a different from person to person. When we will calculate this criteria for nation development, that income is important factor for nation also, but so many other factors. कई बार आप लोग कहते हैं कि यूएस इज अ डेवलप कंट्री, यूके इज डेवलप कंट्री, जर्मनी, इटली, यूरोप इज अ डेवलप कंपेरेटिव टू द एशिया. तो नॉट इनकम, इनकम इज अ इंडिविजुअल क्राइटेरिया. और व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट द नेशन डेवलपमेंट, वी विल इंक्लूड द इनकम एज अ पार्ट, बट वी विल नॉट इंक्लूड ओनली इनकम. Some other factors also that makes a country develop. So in this chapter, the next topic is a national development. National development has so many factors. Because I am asking to you, how you calculate that US is a developed country? Each and every person have good income. Might be good income compared with India or other country in Asia or Africa. But not only income, so many other factors. What the facility they are enjoying, the public facilities they are enjoying, education level, health level, the domestic life, the public places, all are main important factor. So the national development of a country refers to income as well as the other factors. Not only income, other factors also, the education level, the health conditions, the transportation, the public places, and thus so many other factors. So in this chapter, I am going to read some NCERT. It is very important to keep in mind that different person could have different as well as the condition nations or developing country. I told you that each and every country have different conditions or development. Okay. Next, in this chapter, there is one important sentence also I want to put as an example here. Remember, different person can have different development goals, and what may be development for one may not be other. Very, very important. You are developed, your conditions develop, but that's not related to me कि आप develop हो गया तो मैं भी हो गया. Because for example, industries are going to set up different industries, and they are achieving the good amount of money. But the labor is not earning the same amount of money. So development of industries is not the development of a labor community. Because labor की तो salary बढ़ जाएगा, but industries are getting more and more profit. So उसका level जो होगा, the industries level is bigger than the labor community. So the development of yours is not define the meaning of development according to, for the other community also. Your development conditions are like, because I told you earlier, the development conditions of yours, the development conditions of mine, both are different. आप डेवलप हो गए इसका मतलब मैं डेवलप नहीं हुआ, मेरे लिए डिफरेंट कंडीशंस है, मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट अलग है, मेरी नीड अलग है. कुछ स्टूडेंट कहते हैं ना कि सर मैं बस पास हो जाऊं, बट मैं तो मेरिट माना चाहता हूं. तो आपके पास होने से मैं डेवलप नहीं हुआ या मेरे मेरिट माने से आप डेवलप नहीं हुए. सेम थिंग अप्लाई इन द कंडीशन, सेम थिंग अप्लाई इन द other sectors also. I am putting the example in India. We have a very good and known industrialist. What is the level of his income? We know very well. So that person is achieving too much. That is not condition that each and every person, those are working as an employee in that industry, is also developed. So you should remember that each and every country have a, or every person have a different conditions of development. Now, how to compare different countries or state? Very simple. Income, you know, we are calculating the income is first factor. Okay, your income, my income, other person's income, government job, government person,